Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Thursday. It's time for a new tutorial on buttercream. So let's get started.
You will need 1 pound of butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of French vanilla creamer, my secret ingredient, a stand mixer, or you can use a hand mixer. So you first want to put all your butter into your bowl. You can either do it into your stand mixer bowl or any regular bowl that you can mix this in. You want it to be room temperature, and you want to make sure that it's chopped up in little pieces so that it's easier for your mixer to cream it up. After this, you'll put it for 10 minutes at a medium speed. After about the 10 minutes, you'll start adding the sugar slowly. You'll want to do it like a rainfall, very sprinkled, and let it mix slowly. You want it to be on a slow level, and then you're just going to let it mix as you're pouring it in. Once you have mixed all your sugar, you're going to let it mix for about 2 minutes, and then this is where you want to add your creamer. Now you can start with 1 teaspoon, taste it and see how you like it. If you feel like you can use a little bit more sugary taste, you can add the 2nd teaspoon. After you've added the creamer, let it mix for the remaining of the 10 minutes on a medium speed, and you'll see how it starts to change the texture. After the 10 minutes, this is what you're going to get, airy and fluffy buttercream.
Alright guys, that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Join me this Saturday, March 16th at noon, where I will be announcing our next winner for our second giveaway live on my YouTube channel. So stay tuned for that. Also, next Thursday, we'll be doing baked donuts. So I'll see you soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like always, subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below. Thank you, guys.